So in this video, we are going to talk about how to clean very, very dirty windows and the steps needed. So we'll start inside here. I have my washer sleeve and mop up the windows. All right, there's no tent or anything here. So we're going to razor the window. That's our next step. When you're razoring, you don't want to go too crazy hard, but it doesn't have to be a crazy delicate process. But you want to make sure you're never going like that. You just want to make sure it's even to the glass. Next, I remop the window and then hit a bronze wool pad, go over the whole window, really emphasizing the corners. Most of the middle I've pretty much gotten with the razor. Okay, then we're going to squeegee off. Could be a perfect 14, but it's not. Okay, squeegee off that. Squeegee off that. Okay, we're not doing deep cleaning of the tracks here at this customer's house, so I'm just going to clean up my soap a little bit here. These are garage windows, so garage windows are usually the worst along with basement windows. And I think these windows may have broken seals a little bit, so let's go outside. To the outside. Got my screen already clean, but they're very weathered, so they don't look very good. Those outside you can see pretty dirty. Hey, okay, same steps here. Sometimes the outside too, just like to hit the outside of the frame there. So we're going to again razor. And then we're going to mop. Just like that. Bronze wool. Bronze wool is a great investment. It won't rust or anything on you, and these pads, if you're doing homes and stuff every day, last you a good couple weeks. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more water. Okay, I'll squeegee off that. I can tell this one pane definitely has a broken seal in it, but overall looks a heck of a lot better. Clean off our underwater there, clean off that water there, the track. Detail our edges. So you can see there, in just basically, I would say, let's see how many steps we do here. 4 to 5 steps. So we mopped, we razored, and then we mopped a little bit more, bronze wooled, and then squeegeed off and detailed. And if you have anything extra, a little something right there, you can use dry steel wool and just do a little detailing. So let's go inside and I'll just show you how much cleaner it is from in here. So I mean, look at this window, right? Very, very dirty. This window is just like that. Boom, we're all clean. A little bit of steel wool right there. And boom, just like that. You got a very dirty window, perfectly clean in 5 easy steps. Get the rest of these cleaned and you'll be done with this job.